Hello everyone, welcome my YouTube channel. Today I will show you a book review, this book written by Dan Lok. In this book, Dan Lok reveals some of the beliefs and habits that could be keeping you poor. Now I am talking in this book 7 things for poor people do that the rich don't. Number 1. Poor people watch TV, rich people read books. Number 2. Poor people get paid based on time, rich people get paid based on results. Number 3. Poor people blame others for their misfortunes, rich people take responsibility for our own failures. Number 4. Poor people focus on saving, rich people focus on investing. Number 5. Poor people think they know it all, rich people continuously learn. Number 6. Poor people believe that money is the root of all evil, rich people believe that poverty is the root of all evil. Number 7. Poor people have a lottery mentality, rich people have an action mentality. I hope you will learn it. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and never forget press the bell icon.